data project accounting data consolidation program property files. I need a program that will help consolidate information from 2 PDF files and 1 Excel file related to property owners and to a new Excel table. This new table should be ready for import in another software. Okay? Murag nindot ni guys, dako-dako ba nag-project kanyo 423 euro. This program need to merge special column from 2 PDF files into new Excel table which includes bank accounts, percentage code, property code, tenant and bank account tenant. Incorporate certain column from the Excel file into a new table. Contact address, phone number, email, number, identification ID, and owner name. An important part of this project is how to handle discrepancies. Whenever there is a difference in the data between PDF with Excel files, the program should flag it for manual review. Ideal candidate for the project should have strong programming skills, preferably in Python or R. Merging raman iyang project, kinahanglan project Python project, Python or R. Experience in data consolidation and manipulation, familiarity with handle PDF and Excel files. Merging ra niya kinahanglan project Python programming sa maning employer so sometimes guys, this project tanawa ninyo ang employer nag-require siya programming pero yung project merging raman PDF file into new Excel table mauro man na i-merge nimo kinahanglan pagikag Python. Come on baby. Data merging, flagging discrepancies. Gwapo ni siya na try nato ni. Di man kinahanglan nag Python programming ni. Excel naman nag PDF mo ang kuan ni. So let's build it again. Okay, daghan pa siya kuan Excel PDF lang Python binuang kuan kaya raman nagkuan Python baka $500 naman ako ng project ni. Kuan lang ta 250 lang, 250 euro to 750 euro. So kini kay fixed price, medyo risky na siya guys, pero kinahanglan nato dako man siya, so kinahanglan nato na take time 5 days lang. Kini kay fixed price kinahanglan ka na ay milestone dire project milestone. So what sa kuha man is 100%. Before pwede kang 50% milestone or 25 is not guaranteed guys, kay ang employer na hindi na bayad pag makumpleto ng project. So kinahanglan 100% interesado siya sa imong service, dapat 100%. So binata to help you, I read your post and I am so and I'm interested. Rested. To help your branding. I can manage Excel automation as well as PDF extraction. Feel free to message me or word my bed to start your project. Thank you so much and God bless. Ano na guys, simple ang message nga imuhang ipadala sa ilahan. By a glance, they can read, understand that you can make it, you can do it, the job. Pag abot diri sa baba, description kinahanglan bag milestone mga guys, pasabot na down payment sa employer. So syempre butangan nato nig 100% milestone, mo request sila gamay milestone na bahala na, because 10% naman ang fee kikaltas mo once you accept the project. So kung muhangyo sila tag to payment, bahala 50-50 nila, basta ka ng 100% i-release yun na guys. Bahala itagi-tagi nila o installment basis, basta importante na ang kwarta. So ang advantage ng na milestone guys, pag nakakay project medyo lisod-lisod, no? Pwede kang i-decline na kung wala milestone, mangita sila laing employee or workers, no? So imo ada guys, for safety reason nagi kay milestone na ang kwarta, na ang kasabutan na naman. So kung di nimo makaya, you need to return, no man problema, pwede mo na mo ibalik guys kung di nimo makaya. So ni-appear na ako, ang name is you rank to 78 out of 117. So yung anay mong potential guys, naghan kay bidders na butog 117. Tingdaghan na gid freelancer kana mga Amerikano, mga foreign mga di work at home, no? Di daghan na sila sa freelancer, daghan tanaw na to nila mga atong kalaban dire. Pakistan, no? Daghan gyud sa mga accounting mo, mga Excel programming, Pakistan, no? Imong competitors, grabe Pakistan, no? Ako rin Pinoy diri guys, India, ako'y China, no? Imagine 505 631 completed project, grabe mga bugat-bugat yan ang mga senior web engineer pagid, Sri Lanka, wow. Pakistan, dagan kay Pakistan. Ukraine, so may coder former web worker sa 750 yung Pakistan. Bugat-bugat mong kalaban guys, mga Pakistan kay Pakistani guys, mga gahi po na kayo, yung bright po na, basta-basta po na ilang mga programming kuan. Pakistan, imagine tanaw na to sa bid, Kini lang nga project halos Pakistan, no? India, Vietnam. 117 mi guys, ika 78 ko ang rate sa akong bid. Grabe. Sayon no na yung project mo na daghan kaayo mo apply. Pero lisod ni asa man sila mo apply. Anong apply niya ng maayo. Nagi Python, no? Ang programmer na gini. India. Writing graphics lang, animation game. Programmer na yung laban Pakistan, no? So that's all for today. Thank you.